So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make Google your home page on different browsers. So let's see how you can do this on Chrome. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here click on these three dots and then click on Settings. Now here on the left pane, click on Startup. Now here click on a specific page or set of pages. Here click on Add a new page. Now type www.google.com. Click on Add and that's it. Now let's close Chrome and let's reopen it. And now as you can see here, Google opened as a default homepage. Now let's see how I can do this on Edge browser. Open the Edge browser on your PC. Here click on the three dots. Now here click on Settings. Here on the left pane, click on Start, Home and New tab page. Here click on Open Custom Sites. Now here click on Add Site. Now here type google.com. Press enter. Now here click on Add. And this will add the Google as the home page. Close the browser. Now let's open it again. And as you can see here, Google opens by default. So this way I can make Google your default homepage. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.